Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2025 Volkswagen Taos, and I will show you how you can see the oil temperature. This video should apply to these vehicles made from 2022 all the way up to 2026 or possibly even newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. To see this feature, you'll be using these menu buttons on the right side of the steering wheel, and you'll be looking at this screen on the instrument cluster. Okay, now keep pressing the right or left button to scroll through the menu options. You want to get to driving data, now press OK, and now use the up or down buttons to get into this driving data menu. And here you again want to scroll through the options until you can see oil temperature and press OK, and this will display the current oil temperature. And that's how you do it. And I will also add to this video, to be able to see the oil temperature in the instrument cluster, it has to be enabled here in the main vehicle menu. In the settings, so I want to press the menu button on the main screen to get to this menu actually. Then you want to select the vehicle, and then you want to press the settings down here, and then you want to scroll all the way here to instrument cluster, and oil temperature here, it has to be enabled, so it has to be check marked. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.